Hello, all my YouTube friends. How are you guys? I am out and about today. I just actually stopped at a Dollar Tree. It is a Dollar Tree that I usually can't get into because they shut the gates. And so I was happy all the gates were open. It's kind of a rainy day. And I seem to have pretty good luck on rainy days. So I'm just kind of driving around aimlessly, seeing what different places I can find. Trying to find a couple different spots that I haven't been to. And I'm actually sitting in a parking lot of a thrift store. I think it's called what is it called? St. Vince Family Thrift Store. And I just wanted to see if they have like a compactor or what. And I can tell you, down at the end, there is a dumpster and there's stuff down there. But an employee just came out and he was walking back there. So I don't know that it's the safest time to be able to look. But I'm definitely going to drive around the parking lot and see if he's still over there and just kind of at least take a look and see if they're actually throwing good things away or what's going on. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'll be checking in with you guys as we go along and check some random dumpsters. And I might stop at a couple that I know of too if I happen to pass them. So let's have a good time. Hopefully it doesn't start raining too hard. It is raining. But this is going to be fun, guys. Let's go. Here comes the rain. Oh my gosh, guys, literally, like, as soon as I stop talking, here comes the rain, and it is crazy. So, if you see these dumpsters, oh, I gotta turn on my wipers. You see these dumpsters over here, this is the dumpsters for this thrift store, guys. Holy moly. Look at all this stuff. Oh, but here's the worker right here, taking more donations, so... we're going to have to come back at a different time and see what we can do, but definitely not right now. But it is starting to rain at a pretty good clip here, so maybe everybody will go hide inside and we can go check some dumpsters in the rain. Woohoo! These cheese balls. Bags are wet, but inside the bags are fine. Oh my gosh, you guys, more Ajax. Are you kidding me? Alright guys, so we are pulling up here behind a couple buildings. I've been in this area before. I don't usually find stuff over here, but since we're over here, I might as well take a peek-see. Over here is actually where I found that love sign with the cherubs that I like so much. Well, nothing right here. Let's go check the one where we found the sign last time. I think that the store over here where I find the illegal dumpage, I think the store is closed, and it used to be a Catherine's, like women's clothing. Sorry, the wipers are loud. Ooh, there's a bunch of broken glass. Oh, all empty, guys. Ooh, the glass is like crunching under my feet. That's no good. Hope we don't get a flat tire. That would not be fun. Oh, geez, I didn't even notice over there. They've got their like warehouse door open. Oh gosh, guys. What in the world? All right, wipers. So the rain came down really hard for a minute there, but it stopped after just a couple minutes. So that's good. Now, over here, there is an Office Max dumpster where I found those cool pictures that one time. There's also these dumpsters here. Ooh, that one's open. Oh, but there's somebody here, you see? It's like a work van. Oh, there's a lady there. And here I am with my headset. She's bringing out the recycling, it looks like. Okay, so over here is the Office Max that I was hoping to be able to check if nobody's here. Driving by, going slow, hoping that nobody popped out at me. Ooh, it's full. Always use another tote. Defective. Doesn't look defective. Here's the lid. I don't know what's defective about it. More Heineken. Little calendar. What else have they got in here? Huh. That was interesting. Alright guys, you can see what I'm coming up to here. Now, I have hardly ever found anything here, and it's really weird because I did get to stop at one other Big Lots, and I found a lot of stuff, so I don't know why this one never has anything, but let's see. Let's go check. There's some soap maybe in a picture. big thing of hand soap. Score Guy soap. It smells good. Oh, it's heavy. Slippery. It's a Wonderful Life. Wow, you guys, the rain is the luck. I'm telling you. Bath and shower gel. Another one, just a broken lid. Woohoo, guys! All right, guys, I think that's it. Sorry about the wipers, guys, but we have arrived at a mall. Now, I don't have very high hopes because, as far as I know, I think the malls are all compactors. But we are going to take a little trip around here and see if we can find anything. I also know that there is security here at the mall, so even if we do find something, I don't know that we'll be able to get into it, but I'm really interested to see what they do around here. So over here on my left, I definitely see, ooh, I do see a garbage can, but I also see, ooh, I see a couple garbage cans, but I also see a compactor. But that's okay, good to know. It's really busy here right now. So I'm really just kind of scoping it out to see if there were even any dumpsters to get into. And who knows, you know, I see a couple dumpsters, well, they could be for stores that are no longer open, or they could be for places, you know, that serve the food inside the mall. I have no clue. But I thought it'd be worth taking a drive around and seeing what's going on here. Gosh, guys, I haven't been in a mall in so long. Have you guys? Actually, I haven't really been in any stores in so long. I usually just shop around back. It's a lot more fun. That's for sure. There's a bunch of trucks coming out of here. Must be delivery day. I'm just cruising around here, singing a little song. Where am I going, guys? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm turning around here, but I do see a dumpster over here, but that, I don't know what this is. Jeez. Security is gonna come get me and be like, why are you aimlessly driving around my mall parking lot? No reason, Ossifer. Just kind of checking it out. Now this right here is the building that has the movie theater. So I don't think there would be anything good in their dumpster if they even had one. Which I don't see one. It seems like their dumpsters are kind of in these little inverts. There's like a little section that kind of dips in between all the major stores. I don't know why there's, oh, because we're at the movie theater. People are probably picking up their kids. Let's see, I'm looking in here. No dumpsters here. And there it looks like there might be some sort of dumpsters or compactors, but it's locked up. This mall is kind of like a ghost town now. A lot of the stores in it are closed. And you can see there's like nobody. See how empty the parking lot is? I don't know what this might be where, I think this might have been a Carson's before. I don't know. Let me see. So basically so far I have seen maybe a couple dumpsters. I don't know what the store used to be. They took the sign down. Yeah, there's a couple dumpsters here. I really wish I could just kind of peek in and see what they are. I don't know, guys, because I'm really curious. What do you think? Am I gonna get in trouble? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Recyclables. No cardboard or recyclables. I don't know, guys. I think I gotta go peek. They were both empty. That doesn't help us. Because now I don't know if there's usually good stuff in there or not. Boo! That's alright. We'll come back another day. But for now, I think we've pretty much made it all the way around. I don't know which way this guy is going. I think we've made it pretty much all the way around this mall. So I'm going to stop at a couple more places. So far not too much luck, but I don't care because I actually found some stuff at Big Lots and that makes me happy. So hopefully we'll find a couple more places on the way back home, and if not, oh well, we tried, and I'll see you when we get back. Ooh, I'm passing the security right now, guys. I better get off the phone. All right, see you guys soon. All right, guys. I don't know what's going on today. It's so crazy. It's always something weird going on. Oh, so first the downpours, then some shut gates on some dumpsters I wanted to get into, then driving around the mall, running into the security. Luckily, they didn't do anything. You know, they were just parked. Then I saw a couple other dumpsters. I saw a CVS that had their gates open and I could get in the dumpster. And as I'm turning in, there's a cop sitting like right on the other side. Then I'm driving down the road here and I see a couple places. I'm like, yeah, we'll go check them out. Cops everywhere. First it was spiders, now it's the po-po. So anyways, I'm gonna have to start driving here, but goodness gracious, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, my friends, so here I am, and this sure was not a big haul, but I don't care. I had fun anyway, and I'm glad for the things that I did find. So here is the It's a Wonderful Life picture. I did see now that it is cracked here, so hopefully I'll be able to find another glass to replace it because I do like it. And this came from Big Lots, so it makes it even more special because I hardly ever find anything there. It was $15. It is broken, but hopefully I'll be able to fix it. So I don't care. Woohoo! And then we found this little binder, but it has no paper, and I don't know if I'll find paper to fit in it. So, not the best score, but still something. And this little calendar here, I actually really like this, and I thought it was all ripped, but I think someone was just using it in the office, because once you get into June, it's still fine. So I'm just going to rip off the ones we don't need, and there we go. We'll have a little pull-off calendar. Then there was this black bin, and it says that it is damaged, defective. And so I was investigating, and so what I find here is this. There is a small, little crack there, but that doesn't hurt it, and it's perfect for me. The lid fits and everything. Then, dun dun dun, this is a score for me, guys. I love finding soap. So it is a cherry blossom hand soap. Nothing wrong with it. Perfect. So total score. And then there is this lavender and rosemary. The lid was just broken off, so I'm just going to clean that up. And there is another one. I think it's the exact same. Ooh, dropping it, guys. Yep, it's the same, and the lid just doesn't close. So I'll just get those cleaned up. They're full. $3.30 is what they were marked at. And that's about it. So it definitely isn't a big haul, but I had so much fun, and I hope you guys had some laughs with me. And look at that. That's just a perfect bin for me. So score. We had some fun. We saw some cool stuff. And it was just a great day. So thank you guys for riding along with me. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Wilbur approves.